Yeah, a very good morning, my dear student. The video is running. Yes, it started. It has been already started. And of course, my dear student, it's time to do our class. And today we are going to discuss about the practical classes, practical classes of our related subject computer science, class 7 and 8 both. Class 7 and 8 both. Okay, so it has been added to many more students, and nice to see you all. Okay, so about the program that I have already promised you, I will show you the video. Okay, I'll show you the video or the screen that you know already. Okay, wait, it has been closed by the. Okay, where is the other section? Wait, a student is coming. Okay, Subhas. It has been okay by pressing Windows R that you know already. We can write here EXCEL Excel program that you can write here EXCEL by pressing. If you press, then the program will open. Okay, my dear student, that you know already. Let me discuss a little bit more here. A little bit uh, more here because this program is a very important program that we can utilize for our good job. Okay, for our best performance that we can utilize here in this program. And my dear students, that we know already, every program is very important, and it has different types of functionality. It has different types of features. So all the program we need to utilize for the good knowledge and for the good support of your work. Okay, so without wasting of our time, I would like to request you one more time, my dear students, this
Yes,
micro
sir.
okay, this Microsoft Excel is the database program that you know. Okay, Microsoft Excel is the database program which consists as between different row and different columns, which is called worksheet. That you can say worksheet. What type of consistency between column and row? What type of constitutes are there? Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. It has been a screening over there. This is called column. G column, it's a K column, it's a N column, it's a Q column, it's a G column. It's all are the column. That column you can utilize for the intersection. Okay, another, this is the row. That
Row.
row, the combination of, okay, the combination of row and column, we can say it is the uh, combination of row and different types of column. It consists as worksheet. So this worksheet is utilized for different purpose that we can utilize here right now. Okay, let me introduce about this program first, because we have not visit the practical classes of Microsoft Excel, right? So it's a better. Okay, so it has been written here A, B, C, D, A to Z, that every character it has been included. Every character means letter A, B, C, it has been included as a column, and 1 to 100 it has been added many more. So the combination of different row and column are called worksheet, and that worksheet is known as a database program also. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, why the Microsoft Excel will utilize to uh, do lots of work like your business work, your personal calculation of your personal cash calculation, your personal revenue. How can we describe here? That I'm going to share you. So it has been written here. I'm going to write here very typical thing. Before, there is certain rules that I want to repeat to for my dear students. If you press here right, there is the in a cell intersection between column and row, and one when the given numbers of column, like this is the column, and the sorry this is the column, and this is row. Okay, okay, when we cross the different selected columns and row, there is the very small places will be indicated. It means it is the intersection of cell. So all are the cell of intersects. This is known as the CELL, cell. It is cell. That location that you can say, that location is known as a cell. And as a whole, it's a worksheet. If you press after the selection control delete, it will clear, and we can remove from the no fill here very logically. Okay, now we can utilize, we can check how many number of columns and row it has in a one worksheet. For your kind information, my dearest friend, I would like to remember you here in the bottom line of the screen. Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, it has been written that sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 is all are the given worksheet. In one worksheet there is how many number of column and rows are available that you can watch in your screen. If you press control down arrow, then computer will show it has 10,48,576 number of row. And if you press control right key, then it will show us, here XFD is the last number of column. So it is a very huge portal of the intersection between different row and columns. This all are the intersection between different row and columns. If you press control left, if you press control off, then it will back again in the same place. This all are the thing. Okay, the next thing is write something. What type of thing I want to add? Before, let me tell you, my dearest friends, I would like to remember you. In this program, we can utilize many more types of related things, many more types of goods work. Okay, so I would like to tell you, if you write something here, you can utilize Ramu. Okay, Ramu by pressing entry.
Yes, sir.
Hari. Okay, Gita. Sita. Ramila. Ansanarayan. Okay, many more. Let me tell you, my dear student, it has been written here, all these types of name, and there is certainly the exact place is very short here. If you increase after the selection, you can increase the font size also. You can increase the font size here, and the this is the distance between one row and other row. So how can we increase? If you move the cursor, this is known as this plus indication. It means this is the mouse. When we are out of this spreadsheet, it means it is the mouse. When it comes in the program, then it is known as the yes. Do you know? Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
What is the indication of point? This indication is a cursor, right? It's a cursor that you can, when you press, then the cursor will active. Okay, so it's an intersection group of the number of column and row. So we can move here like that. We can move directly. Okay, Ramu, if you write here, okay, 5 RS 5,000. Okay, One more time. If you press RS 6000 like that, after the selection, there is the location that when we go in the correct location and just wait there, there is the plus indication. It means that means copying formula. If you press and hold the left mouse button and move downside in the direction, then computer will copy the same thing as per the instructions of their rule. Why the marks will be changed? Why the amounts will be changed here? Because there is the certain rules. I'm going to tell you. If you write here one, if you move by clicking here, then it will copy only for the only one. If you press right here, 1, 2, 3, then after the selection of all three characters, if you move downside, computer will automatically repeat the same numbers. It's a rule of the Excel. Okay. Another more thing. This is the number in the text. That type of related same thing. We can utilize the same thing here. We can utilize the same thing here. If you write here Ragini, okay. If you press here, the same text will be revised. If you write here, okay, Sunday, Sunday, then computer will rearrange the other related things, you see, because that type of concept, it has been already stored into the computer program directly. It's a text, it's a number. Okay, text and number both are represent here to spread everywhere. So Microsoft is also known as a spreadsheet software. If some teachers will ask sometime what is called a spreadsheet, so you have to know a spreadsheet is the other name of Microsoft Excel program. A spreadsheet package or Excel package, the same one. It's a synonyms of Excel. A spreadsheet packages. A spreadsheet. In the packages, there is many more program also, like Microsoft Excel is the one of them. Okay, another one is there is the there is the another database program. Okay, Microsoft database program. There is another more, many more it has that we need to discuss later on. Okay, come to the point. So it's all are the given requirement that you can try the same thing by clicking here, by click here file, save as I want to utilize my password also. I have written here B-I, sorry, S-O-N-I, Sony. Okay, Sony Tamrakar, you can utilize here general option for the password 123. I'm going to utilize the password also 123. Okay, again 123. We can utilize again 123 for the modification. Apply save. Click on save. Click on file. Click on close here. If you close, if someone want to see in the Sony Tamrakar related file, then computer will ask to confirm you are the user or not. Give the password. Sony Tamrakar XLS is protected by the user. If you have correct password, then you can utilize 123. Okay. If you utilize one more time, if you utilize the wrong password, then if you utilize okay this one, then computer will inform us the password you supplied is incorrect. Verify that caps lock key. It means you are the absolutely wrong. You are enter the wrong key of the password. Okay. So you can if you utilize the correct password, then computer will show the correct profile for you because you are the user. Computer will guess you are the proper user that you can save here in my memory like that. Okay. Another more thing. There is another more thing. If you selection the given entire section, then if you write the value 1, 2, 3, for example, If you press here Control Enter, then computer will spread everywhere in the selected sections automatically. Okay, so this all are the basic rules. If you move here, move downside, then it will move downside. Arrow, down arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow. You can utilize. You can utilize for the using the mouse also. It's very simple and logically that you can utilize. It's very simple. Okay. So this all are the given requirement. Okay. There is the another more thing. If you want to rename your seat, you can utilize here. Okay, you can utilize. It's a MARSN seat. Okay, we can write here Nepal Nepal Police School Garuda. Okay, you can move after the selection. You can utilize bold and you can utilize here. So, it has been written here margin center. If you margin center, then it will change the location in correct place. Okay, you can utilize the different color also for the good attraction. For the attraction, you can utilize here. Okay, okay. Name of a student. We can decrease the font size because we don't have enough space. Okay, this is the better one. And if you write, oh, okay, okay. We can utilize here name Rahul Yadav, Satish Tamrakar, Kavita Padka, Keki Adhikari, etc. You can utilize. This is the name. That name you can select, and as per the interest, as per the excitement, that you can change the different types of writing skill also. Which one you want to choose? That you can utilize. You can utilize the color also, color combination for the good attraction. Okay, so all are the related things. Okay, sex. You can utilize the amount here, the year 2007, 2008, okay, 2009, 2000, sorry, 2010, 2010. There is the four year that I'm going to share you. 4 year. There is the record, some record. It has been included here. You can utilize the border color also. Border you can also utilize for the attraction of your table. Okay, that border you can also utilize. How can we show this is the correct option or not? By clicking here, click on file. There is the print preview. Print preview means before printing this document, we better to check this. This is for this is in correct place or not. That type of every margin, top, bottom, left, right section you can utilize here. Okay, so this is the this is an important point that we need to check. Okay, then after in 2007 we can delete one name because no, it is not required here. Three students I have recorded here a little bit things that I'm going to write here. For example, 87%. Okay, 87%. Okay, there is the 87 sorry 60 66%, then 89%, sorry 89%, and in 2010 is the 99.9%. It's the accuracy of the increment of the related students. Okay, so another, for example, this is an example, so no need to worry about 65%. There is a 56%, 76%. Another one, okay, 89. percent. Last one is 45%, 67, sorry, 67%, and the 68%, and 87%. Oh, okay. It's all are the it's all are the given data, and the data I'm going to show you how the related data will manage the everything. Okay, for the correct information of their uh, chart, graphics chart that you can, that presentation is known as graphics chart. After the selection of the related section, you can utilize here, you can check where is the correct option. You can utilize here the right mouse very easily by clicking on right mouse. Okay, there is the from cell, you can utilize the cell, and there is the another option here also. Okay, different types of related sections are here. Alignment, left section, right section, everything, border, field, no field, any type, every types of things. Okay, so without wasting of our time, I would like to tell you this concept is not accepted by the computer, so you better to change. Okay, Control Z. By clicking, it has been added here. Columns, you can utilize the columns, choose any one of them. Which column want to choose? There is many more columns. Which one to choose? You can utilize from here also many more. Any one table you can utilize. If you want to utilize the chart, that chart also you can utilize by clicking delete option. You can utilize again. After the selection, then at the insert, there is the pie chart. That pie chart you can also utilize. Oh, there is no selection, so it has not display in the screen. Okay, after the selection is important. Why? What the hell is going on? Oh, there is the problem of my mouse. Okay, let me show you one more time. Insert bar. Wait. Select the given value only. Maybe there is the problem. Okay, now so only value will be selected. The name will not be selected because of the related of active profile that you know already. This is the related data. In the data you can utilize right mouse here. My mouse is not working, so when you press it, it has format data series. By clicking on, there is the series, border style, shadow from 3D, any type, fill, no fill. No fill if you press, then it has, see, another many more colors are here. You can utilize no fill. Another more thing, by placing right mouse here. Okay, then here the chart type. You can utilize chart type also, different types of section, which you want to choose. Different types of sections are also including here, any types of related chart that you can utilize by clicking here by right mouse. You can utilize the 3D rotation also. Many more things that you can utilize in your computer if you have. Okay, this is the important thing that you can utilize for the good knowledge. Okay, so hello my dear student, are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's all are the related thing. There is another more thing. Okay, no need to discuss, please. No need to discuss. Thank you. Okay, excuse me. No need to discuss, please. Okay, there is the another more thing. How can we do? I'm going to change the I'm going to change the seat also. Okay, the seat 2. If you press double click here and then it will automatically selected. You can write here the Vishal. Okay, sir. Okay, Vishal only. Never mind. Okay, you can utilize other thing like so you can write here name of a student. Okay, let me, my dear student, tell me. I have a very short time, so please everyone, please don't shout. Okay, name of a students is the marks that you can subject that you can write directly. Subject name of a students subject. Okay. January. Okay. We don't have time, so we can utilize 12 minutes. The better. Okay. That's the better one.
No, it's been.
Ah,
It's
it's okay. No
how
problem.
it is possible?
Uh, so instead of name, we can utilize here because of the time. Okay, we have only 8 minutes for the Zoom classes because it has give us the permission only 40 minutes only. Okay, so name means that you
So
can
once
guess is
more start.
sorry
So once more start.
this one. Okay, okay,
So
okay,
once time on.
okay. I'm closing the file. Okay, Control N. Let me show you one more time, my dear student. Okay, after the selection, we can utilize this section like that. Okay, then there is the this value you can utilize. You can utilize the name of your school, for example. Okay, Nepal Police School, Garuda, Zingadia, Rautahat. Okay. Okay. Then after the selection, you can utilize here the margin center bold. We better to increase the font a little bit because it is so small. Okay. Okay now. So it's all are the given thing. Okay. Name January. No. You can write here January. You can write January, and by clicking here. Okay, marks English, math, science, Nepali, computer, health, social. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And there is the
OBT.
OBT. Okay. Then you can write here total marks. Then increase the size of the columns. Then you can write here pass. Result is pass or fail. Result. Okay. Then you can write here a division. Then you can write here remarks. Okay. So that type of related concept we are going to write here. We have only 6 minutes, so no need. Okay, I'm going to input here the marks. Okay, 88 tab by pressing tab, 67, 87, 87, 65, 56. Okay, for example, okay, say another 34, 65, 87, 23, 87, 65, 56, 76. Okay, now we are going to check the calculation of this given students, January students, about the input marks, the total marks. How can we calculate? By clicking here, writing here is equal to SUM sum, utilize the bracket. You can utilize here this 88 value is in the location of this value is B3, right? So you can utilize B3 is 2. Then the last one is
B4.
the D4. No, it's a I.
B4.
Yeah, it's a B4. Sorry, it's a B4 or B3. It's a B3. The value is located at B3, right? B3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I3. I3. If you press, then computer will calculate the total marks. By utilizing the copying formula, we can copy the same thing. Okay. The result. How can we identify the results? Is equal to if and this is the logic formula that you can write, that you can remember. This value is greater than 32 comma, this value greater than is equal to 32 comma, all the value we need to indicate 32 comma, this value 32 comma, this value 32 comma, this value indicate 32 comma, and the last one, this value greater than equal to 32. Then you can utilize the short column, then after close we can utilize pass again, sorry, then comma again after I will fail. Okay, now close 1 2 3. Yes, this is the result is pass and the formula is here. This is known as the formula bar. This is formula bar and the result is pass. January student, for example, this name is the Ram students. Ram is the students who will get how many total marks? 589. And other this is a result the pass, and the next one is fail. Why is fail? Because in the formula, logical formula, it has been written there all the given marks must be greater than 32, then computer will show pass
From where?
fail. Okay, it has here is only 23 marks. If you increase the marks, for example 45, then computer will show pass. If you decrease the marks here 23, then computer will show fail. Sorry. Okay. 65. Okay. Decrease the one. Fail. Increase. Pass. Okay. All things is clear. Okay. So, my dear friends, due to the scarcity of time today, we are our school. I would like to remember you. Our school maybe reopen very fastly, and we are taking the short meeting in our school also in branch. So today I would like to conclude my very short speech. Thank you all, and I hope you will share the video that I will share in your YouTube, in your Facebook Messenger. Please share to your other students. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.